Introducing 1051 Plover Avenue, located in Miami Springs, one of the safest, most conveniently located, and family-friendly neighborhoods in Miami. This home features a metal roof built in 2014 and many updates throughout. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,700 square feet of living space per the last appraisal. In the kitchen, you'll find custom-built soft close cabinets, quartz countertops, and Thermador appliances throughout. Throughout most of the home, you have refinished hardwood floors, and in the family room, you have new tile. The large master bedroom features a huge master bathroom. With built-in cabinetry and a jacuzzi tub. You also have an extra large walk-in closet. The home also features a dedicated laundry room. The first thing you'll notice in the backyard is the amount of mature landscaping. This private oasis features a heated pool and a deck. "1051 Plover Avenue is available through the Lender Real Estate Group for $699,900.